A store-wide count tells you the shop is short. It does not tell you where. That is the difference between a number and a lead. So scope the count to everything, not one aisle. 12 products here. The same is true of 1,200. Every line gets counted, and every line belongs to a department. That second part is what makes the report worth reading afterwards. Scan, count, move on. Most lines will be right, and that is not wasted work. A line that matches is evidence, and the report treats it as such. Some of these will be short, one will be over, and the rest will agree. You do not know which until you have counted them all. That is the reason to count the shop and not just the aisle you suspect. Halfway? Nothing here looks alarming, line by line. -3, -2, +2. Small numbers, easy to shrug at. Individually, they are noise. Grouped, they are a pattern. And the grouping is the part WooCommerce cannot do for you. 12 lines counted. Here is the headline. 12 units and $69 short. True, and not actionable. This is the part that is actionable. Coffee and tea, -7 units, $48. Snacks, -5. The pantry, 0 units, but $11 up. Apply, and the corrections go in. The loss is not spread. It has an address. Dark roast, the worst line in the worst department, 44. Variance by category is Pro. Stocktake for WooCommerce itself is free on WordPress.org.